line, you come down and then you go there. And then all the way there, 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 and Ehamufu. And back there again. But what they've done very cleverly is to, unfortunately, what is known again is it Littleton Constitution during the colonial era. What they did was to identify the people around here because they spoke a different dialect from us, to say, hey, you are not Igbo. And when we leave, the Igbos, you know, the same charge against the Jews all over the world, they will dominate you. They're very domineering. Because of that, they gave them different names, took away the Igbo names and gave them different names. Therefore, or thereby concentrating the bulk of the Igbo Biafra within this area. But unfortunately for them, they don't know that we still have access here, up to here. We still have access to the sea.
I'm presuming that that's obviously a strategic issue, that you need to have your own access. You can't